Sometimes, love begins with just one moment.
Sorry, miss. Are you okay? Sorry again.
Wait, why does it still smell so good? Why are you smiling like that? I think I love someone. What? Who? Oh, the basketball guy. Yes, but that's not the word. His clothes were dirty, but he smelled really fresh. Wait, what? How is that possible? Maybe he uses something like that. Then we must find out.
Mark, why are your clothes are dirty again?
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay.
Dirty clothes? No problem. Introducing the Larry soap.
That's why we use Larry soap.
Wait! What? That's the secret! What secret? The soap!
Larry soap removes stains easily and keeps clothes fresh.
So maybe I didn't fall in love with him first. I fell in love with Larry soap.
Larry soap removes stains, keep clothes fresh, and maybe help you find love.
That's why we use Larry soap.
My clothes needs that.
Clean so bright, love at first sight.
Larry soap.